The Prime Minister, addressing BJP MPs, said the opposition is insulting parliaments. He referred to papers being snatched and torn, and also a reference by the TMC's Derek O'Brien saying that the government is passing bills like papri chaat. Meanwhile, Rahul Gandhi had a breakfast meeting with opposition leaders. After that, all members who attended cycled to Parliament to protest against rising fuel prices. Also, opposition leaders continue their protests in Parliament.
Rahul Gandhi cycling to Parliament along with other members of Parliament. His attempt to show opposition unity and highlighting the huge increase in fuel prices. Few days ago, Rahul had come to Parliament in a tractor to highlight the farmers' concerns and demanding the repeal of the 3 farm law bills.
The people of India are struggling, so I thought symbolically if we go from here to Parliament on cycles, it would have an interesting impact.
The decision was taken after he hosted opposition parties for breakfast. The Samajwadi Party was present even though it has ruled out an alliance with the Congress in Uttar Pradesh. The Shiv Sena's Sanjay Raut and Priyanka were there too.
चर्चा के माध्यम से ये तय हुआ कि संघर्ष का विकल्प है सदन के अंदर और सड़क.
आणि राहुल गांधी यांच्याशी बऱ्याच दिवसापासून एक भेट आमची राहिली होती. कारण त्यांना अनेक विषयावरती बोलायचं होतं. त्यांच्या मनात काही विषय होते.
But chinks in the opposition ranks remain. The BSP and the Aam Aadmi Party were invited but didn't attend.
मीटिंग महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, महत्वपूर्ण है मुद्दा, और किसानों के मुद्दे पर हम किसानों के साथ हैं. जासूसी के मुद्दे पर हम पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड एक SIT बननी चाहिए.
The BJP held its parliamentary meeting and the Prime Minister went on the offensive against the opposition's decision to continue disrupt proceedings. The Prime Minister spoke about derogatory comments by a senior member of Parliament regarding passage of bills, a reference to Trinamool MP Derek O'Brien's passing laws or making papri chaat tweet.
बहुत ही दुर्भाग्य की बात है, बहुत ही शर्म की बात है कि TMC के एक संसद सदस्य ने उसको पापड़ी चाट बनाने से जोड़ करके और संसद की गरिमा का तो अपमान किया ही है.
Bills were passed in the din in the Lok Sabha. The Defence Service Essential Bill, the Tribunals Bill were passed in minutes. And in the Rajya Sabha, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Bill was passed even as the opposition continued to protest.
We are ready. Even at this moment, we want to discuss all the bills. We don't want to rush the bill. We don't want to have the bill without discussion.
M. Venkaiah Naidu, the Vice President and Chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, has attempted to reach out both to the government as well as the opposition to find a solution and break the impasse between the government and the opposition. But a solution seems highly unlikely, with the focus now shifting to the Supreme Court, where the matter is going to be heard. With camera person Sushil Rathi and Pooja Arya, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.